Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, your ultimate source for the coolest and most reliable gadgets out there. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best RC helicopters of 2025, featuring the most advanced, high-performance models perfect for beginners and pros alike. If you're into flying fun, precision control, and jaw-dropping aerial tricks, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to stay updated on the best tech of the year. And as always, you'll find links to all the featured helicopters in the description box below. Check them out. The C-189 RC helicopter is a compact 1:28 scale model designed for both beginners and seasoned pilots. It features a flybarless structure that enhances flight stability and efficiency, combined with a 6-axis gyroscope and 5-channel variable pitch system for smooth control and aerobatic flexibility. Its dual brushless motors deliver superior power, speed, and wind resistance, making it perfect for outdoor conditions. Plus, it includes smart altitude hold and optical flow positioning that keeps it steady mid-air, even indoors without GPS. With its sleek design and intelligent tech, the C-189 delivers a reliable and thrilling flying experience. Inspired by the legendary Bell 206, the YUXIANG F-08 offers a true-to-life 1:27 scale model packed with pro features. It boasts a flybarless design, dual-axis direct drive system, and 6-axis gyro stabilization for seamless, stable flight. A standout feature is the one-key inverted flight. Yes, it flips and flies upside down with the press of a button. Combined with altitude hold and optical flow sensors, this helicopter handles both indoor precision and outdoor agility. Get ready for tactical flying with the CKYSCHN UH-60L, a realistic 1:34 scale replica of the iconic Black Hawk helicopter. Powered by an 11,200 kilovolt brushless motor and 4-channel control with digital servos, it offers top-tier responsiveness and maneuverability. The design features a 4-blade rotor and military matte finish, giving it both visual appeal and aerodynamic efficiency. It's equipped with one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and a 6-axis gyro for stable, easy flight. With 3 speed modes, emergency stop, and auto landing on signal loss, this RC heli is beginner-friendly and safety-focused, while still thrilling for pros. The GoolRC C186 is a perfect balance between simplicity and capability. It features an aileronless single-propeller design crafted for optimal aerodynamics and self-stabilization, ideal for beginners looking for easy control. The 6-axis gyroscope keeps flights steady, while the modular battery system provides longer flight time and easier maintenance with intelligent power management. Added safety features like low voltage alerts, rotor lock protection, and runaway prevention give you peace of mind while flying. Plus, with 3 batteries included, you'll spend more time in the air and less time charging. And finally, topping the list is the $315 million UH-1 remote control helicopter, a pro-level beast scaled down with true-to-life detail. With a 315mm rotor, optical flow positioning, TOF laser radar, and a single-propeller flybarless design, it delivers precision flight like no other. Powered by a brushless motor and stabilized by a 6-axis gyroscope plus barometric altitude control, it hovers with ease and even performs 3D rolling and inverted flights.